Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name's Dean Ashton, and we're here today at the 2018 Wilmington Boat Show, downtown Wilmington, North Carolina. And do a quick walkthrough of our 2019 Boston Whaler 240 Dauntless. First, I'll start with how we have the boat powered. It's the new V8 Mercury 300 horsepower Verado with the optional white paint. Making our way into the cockpit of the boat, you have a nice fold-down transom seat. This flips up very easily. Gives you a full width bench seat across the back of the boat. Nice high back support, very comfortable seat to sit in. You do have some storage underneath. You have a freshwater sprayer as you come into the boat. Designated cooler storage underneath the helm seat. This is a 4-position helm seat. Give you a nice leaning post, an aft-facing seat, or a forward-facing seat. We have equipped this boat with the hard top and powder-coated stanchions. At the helm, we've equipped the boat with the Fusion stereo, Raymarine VHF, and a Raymarine Axiom GPS and fish finder. This boat does have trim tabs. All of the Mercury Verados are digital throttle and shift. You have a lockable glove box, and underneath the console is a porta potty head with pump out. As we make our way up to the bow of the boat, you have a seat forward of the console. Underneath the seat is your live well. You do have 4 additional rod holders on the sides of that seat. Up in the bow of the boat, you have 2 full-length loungers with snap-down cushions that are removable to give you a casting platform. You have a storage compartment, fish box underneath here, a table that will mount up in the bow of the boat for entertaining, and your anchor locker forward of that. That's a real quick look at our 2019 Boston Whaler 240 Dauntless. If you'd like to see this boat, visit us here at the boat show or stop by MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Be happy to show you around.